Subscribe to this channel for more videos and don't forget the bell icon to become a part of our notification squad. Hey guys, this is the unboxing of boAt BassHead 220. On the outside of the box, you can find all the specification of the earphones. Now let's open the box and see what's on the inside. Opening up the box, you can find the earphones. You get a lot of adjustable heads in the box and a card. This brings me to the end of this video. For the full review, click here, and thank you for watching.